Hello, it's Susan for Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making Kiki's dress from Kiki's delivery service. For Kiki's dress, we're going to be using Simplicity 1018, and we're going to be making View A. Now, View A on the model, it comes above her knees, however, I'm 5 feet tall, and it came lower on me than that, so that's why I'm using that one. You could also lengthen it if you are a bit on the taller side. We're also going to be cutting the sleeves so they're above the elbow instead of being full-length sleeves. The fabric I'm using is a 4-way stretch navy blue knit material that I got at my local Joann's. This was actually not in the regular knit section. This was part of their juvenile apparel selection. It was in with the Doodles fabric, and I really liked the color for Kiki, so that's why I went with this. It would also be a really good material if you're making a Boku no Hero gym uniform, so I just wanted to point that out, even though that's not what we're going to be making today. Sew the dress front piece to the dress front side pieces along the side seams. Do the same thing for the back of the dress, sewing the dress back to the dress side back pieces along the side seams. Putting right sides together, sew the front of the dress to the back of the dress along the shoulder seams. Next, we're going to take the neckband piece and cut it out of the blue fabric. Then we're going to fold it in half so that right sides are together and sew it together along the side. Fold the neck piece in half and putting right sides together, sew it to the collar of the dress. Then fold the neckline inward and we're going to top stitch along the edge to keep everything in place. Now that we've got the collar on, it's time to sew up the sides of the dress, so we're going to put right sides together and sew the dress together along the side seams. Moving on now to the sleeves, we're going to start by cutting 2 of the sleeve pieces out of our blue fabric. Then we're going to fold them in half and sew them together along the side. Once they've been sewn together, we're then going to fold the bottom edge inward and hem all along the bottom. Then sew the sleeves onto the dress. Finish the edge of the dress by hemming it. And with that, Kiki's dress is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.